I know this is going to be pretty cheesy because I'm not using a screen capture program. All I'm doing is recording the screen. But I just wanted to show you what I was working on today. I'll put all the links on in the bottom here. I'm not doing any editing with this. I just wanted to talk and kind of show what I'm doing. But I'll put all the links down below for all the newest editions of the programs, updates, whatever, that I'm currently using. Now, essentially right here, we've got the normal Blender interface, right? And I downloaded a new Blender. I uninstalled my previous Blender. I also downloaded the newest version of Python. I think it's 3.3, and the newest version of it's like Stereoscopic camera, and I hope I have it here because well, no, I don't. Crap. Again, the link will go down. But this guy comes up with this stereoscopic camera, and this guy, his name is Sebastian Schneider. He comes up with the stereoscopic camera for Blender, and his newest version is 1.6.7. Okay, so I downloaded those three. First, I installed Python, then I installed Blender, and then I added this. This Python script as he instructed. He's got a video tutorial available here, even though it's for the older version, or you can just download the H64 file, really easy to follow along with, and some tweaks that he did, updates they did with the newest Python script. Kind of cuts out some of the steps that he puts in the tutorial, so it's all good. Let me just show you real quick on what you can do really quick. Initial Blender cube, bam, the camera, bam, right? Okay. Now, because that Python script is available, I'm going to select the camera there. I'm going to scroll down there. It shows stereoscopic camera here. We'll work with off-axis. Heck, why not, right? We'll say show the zero parallax stereo window, and then we'll say set the stereo camera. Cool. And so it does the stereo camera right there, and it shows you the zero parallax window there. Before we get going here, I'm going to put this in orthographic, and I'm going to move this, move our window up to the corner of the cube. I know it's going to cause the cube to be inside of the window, so you know, inside of the screen and not popping off the screen. You know, I understand that. We're just doing this according to what he suggested, and then we'll use personal tweaks later on. So camera, let's get that camera again here. We already set the camera, right? Now we can create a right and left scene. Now before you had to add it up here, and you know, you say add link objects right, add link objects left, and make sure that in each of the versions of the scene the correct camera was chosen. But now all you have to do is bam, create left and right scene. You go up here, left camera, right camera, scene. Cool, awesome. Let's do a 3D picture. Okay, down here we'll hit that cube, we'll go to node editor, and we'll click this little picture thing there and say use nodes, and then we'll use the, oh, I can't do this with one hand here, so selecting the B key and then click and dragging, select those, delete the original node, very good, click the N key, go down here, stereoscopic presets. I'm going to say red cyan anaglyph, awesome, add nodes. Gives us those nodes there, and then here, and watch this. We'll say browse scene to be linked. It's already selected as left camera. Awesome, great. Select that one, already selected as right camera. Oh, that's super. So when we hit the render, F12, bam, there's our anaglyph. And that is quick. Now you can easily tweak the, say the far plane, make it come closer to the zero parallax, so that your far plane ends up being like 0.5, you know, and then start bringing stuff off the screen, adjusting your near point as needed. It looks complicated, needing to know what to do here, but it's actually pretty darn simple. And it took me a moment to get through it, but yeah, that's how long it takes. It's not that long. The one thing I have to mention, I don't know, it seems kind of buggy here. There's sometimes when I change it from, like, because there's 3 stereoscopic camera settings to use. There's off-axis, converge, and parallel. But sometimes if you set the stereo camera for converge, and then you try to set it for off-axis again, it'll give you an error. And then if you try to set it for converge again, it makes your cameras all whacked out. So I don't know what the situation is with that. Whatever it is, I don't know. I'll just take in consideration whenever working on the project. Make sure to do things right the first time around. I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll talk with you all tomorrow.